yeah. So first of all, I would like to thanks to everyone for joining this session on the weekends. So thank you very much for joining the session and contributing your time on this weekend. So yeah, so let's start discussing about the BTP first. So what is mean by BTP here? So BTP is one of the cloud platform. It's one of the cloud platform. SAP, they have rebranded their cloud platform. Initially, if I talk about the BTP here, so initially it is a SAP cloud platform. So initially when they have renamed the BTP, so it's like SAP cloud platform. So this is we will call it as the SCP. In 2021, they have rebranded their cloud platform and they have renamed to the SAP BTP. So BTP is the business technology platform, a business technology platform. So it is providing the technology to customer to deploy their services. So it is like a platform as a service. So business, so technology and platform, business technology platform. BTC abbreviation is like business technology platform. So in the abbreviation itself, we have the name is called the, it is providing the technology to customer to build their applications, extend their applications to connect to their on-premises systems and cloud systems. So normally this cloud platform developed by SAP SC. I think everybody knows here, most of the people are basis background, also SAP background, right? So it is developed by the SAP SC and also it's managed by SAP cloud only, SAP cloud only, SAP only. So it's at the BTP cockpit. So this is the one where there is one of the cockpit which is providing to us to develop, to build, to integrate, to extend our applications. So SAP is providing the one of the cockpit to the customer. That is called the SAP BTP cockpit. This is the one of the web-based URL. This is one of the web-based URL to the customer. Then when you register here, they will provide the one global account to us, so that in this global account we can develop, we can create sub accounts, multiple, we will call it as the tenants, multiple sub accounts, we can create that one, right? So multiple accounts we can create that one in the under the global account. This global account we will call it as the the enterprise account, which is maintaining by the our customer when the register first time. So we will get the one global account here. Okay, so maybe almost like SAP cloud platform 11 years ago they have launched SAP cloud platform. Then after that, so they have renamed this one to the SAP BTP in 2021. So they have officially renamed to the business technology platform. So before BTP, let me give some introduction here about the BTP here, how the BTP they have renamed it. So previously in 2017, this is called the SAP HANA Cloud Platform. SAP HANA Cloud Platform. After the some years in 2021, so they have platform officially they have removed from the SAP portfolio to support their business technology platform. In 2021, they have rebranded to SAP BTP. SAP BTP, they have rebranded this one. So that is the, so here many capabilities. The BTP has many capabilities and many collaborations, many user experience related services, integrations related services, and analytics related services, security, and also many business services are available in the BTP cockpit, right? So if I talk about, so what the, if we talk about mainly on the BTP, so we will leave it out the HANA cloud platform. So we will leave it out the all these things now for now, right? So if I talk about the main, so BTP, the mainly the BTP has main 4 key pillars in the BTP side. BTP main four key pillars. We will call it as the pillar. How the pillars are very important to the, so one building, same as like here. So there are the four pillars for the BTP. They are mainly on the four pillars here in the BTP side. So one is the database management side. One is the DB and DB management services. This providing DB management services. It is providing. The second one is the analytics wise. They are providing the services. Analytics. So analytics wise, they are providing the services to the customer. And also development and integration, application development and integration, and also integration. So we have the integration suite, Ariba, CPI integrations. Also we can integrate our applications here in the BTP. And fourth one is the intelligent technologies. Fourth one is the intelligent technologies here. So these are the four main pillars. So these are the consist of the, they are the four main key pillars for the BTP. So they are the, and also suppose if I talk about the one by one about the each service, DB, right? So DB means, so here in the BTP we have the SAP HANA Cloud, some of the intelligent data lake. It is comes under the HANA Cloud, and also Sybase database also we can derive from the BTP, right? So, and also analytics wise we have the SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC, and also BPC, SAP Warehouse Cloud. So many other analytics service applications SAP is providing to the customer. So if I talk about the application development and integration, right? So here we have the, so many development suites like extension suite, integration suites to deploy their integration, CPI integrations, Ariba implications, and everything here. Suppose if I talk about the intelligent technology here we have the RPA, right? Chatbots, RPA intelligence, so conversational AI, artificial intelligence. So those technologies also we have services. So how can we utilize all these services here? So in the BTP cockpit, so we can use all these services, we can subscribe it, and we can connect to our backend SAP systems. We can connect to our backend SAP systems here, right? So if I talk about the licensing model here, SAP licensing model, to subscribe this one, there is a licensing model for this BTP cockpit here. So coming to if I talk about the licensing model, if I talk about a little bit more about the licensing model here. So licensing model, SAP is providing two types of licensing model. One is the consumption based licensing model, and also subscription based licensing model, right? So subscription, let me write it here, subscription based and also consumption based. So how much you want to use this consumption memory, that much of amount you have to pay here. Here in the consumption based, we have here CPEA, so commercial enterprise agreement, and the second one is the pay as you go model, which means you can pay how much you want to use it. That is the pay as you, it kind of prepaid, pay as you go model. And these are the subscription models. The more details about the licensing model, and also the other more information we can discuss in our classes, how to subscribe, how to use it, how to do the payments to our customers, how to do the analysis of the usage of each and every account, how to subscribe the services, and how to do the integrations, how to all this kind of work we can do in our regular classes. So this is about the licensing model we have in the BTP side. So these are the four main killers for the BTP, so which we will discuss about in our classes here. So cockpit, we have the web-based URL. There we can create the tenants, and backend we can integrate it here. So it is managed by the SAP SE. So we cannot just only, we can subscribe it, subscribe the service, whatever the service you want to use it, we can subscribe it. Then we can use that services here. We can subscribe it and we can use that services into the, so we can use that services into the our organization, we can use it, right? This is about the some information about the BCP pricing models and so BTP pricing models and everything here. So normally when I am talking about the here DTBTP, some people are asking, are there any certifications? How many teams will involve for the certification side? So if I give some overview of the certification, so here with us, many people are involved here. One is the application developers, right? They will do the some development activities and everything in the system, but they will mainly depend on the, so some administrator to create the accounts, security, BTP security, and providing the roles, authorizations, and everything here. So for the analytics purpose, we have the analytics developer who will do the development related activities and everything here, right? Then next one is the integration developers. So we have the integration developers also available in the, so for do the integration development activities and everything. Then the last one is called the administrators, right? Administrators. So here we are the administrator here. So here we will provision the services, entire end-to-end account management, so usage management, consumption based management, so all kind of integrations, monitoring, setup, so cloud connectors, integration to the backend your systems, all this will come under the picture under the administrators. So here we are here administrator. So if you ask me, sir, what is the certification code for the, if you ask me what is the certification code for the administrator here, so our certification code is like C_HCADM_02. You can refer the, so you can Google it here. This is the normal basis folks, they can go for the this provisioning and administration certification. This is a certification for us. So here you will get the some BTP related topics, HANA Cloud, HANA Cockpit, and also BTP related security management. All these things you will get all those things in the your, so in the certifications. This is the certifications. So we have to do for the BTP. So those who are the developers, so they can go for the this kind of development related certifications here. But our administrators, so we are the, this is the certification for the administration certifications, right? So, and also let me give you the overview how this is helping to the customers, like how can we do the integrations here. So you can see here, so let me remove everything here. So you can see here, so this is our, so main account, global account, which will provide by the SAP when you take the subscription. Under a global account, we will create the multiple sub accounts. We will create, it depends upon the environment we have. Suppose like we have the three system environments we have, we will take the, so three systems here. So this is the global environment. This is the global account, enterprise account. So here under that we will create the one development sub account. Here we will create the one quality sub account, same as like in the production sub account, same as like in our SAP side, we know, right? SAP side, if I talk about the our on-premises systems here, in the on-premises systems also we have, so development system, right? And also quality systems and the production ECC systems or whatever it may be, S4HANA systems we have, right? Same as like in our systems, right? So same like here, let me write it here. Dev SAP, and so quality SAP, and so production system, production. So like that, here also for customers, we will develop the sub accounts for the sub accounts. maybe tenants in the cloud platform, we will call it as the sub accounts or tenants. We will create it here. Tenants, we will create it here. So here, so development, quality, production, we will create the account. Same as like here also, we will create the, so this three, we will create it here. So when you choose the option here, this is in the customer network. This is in the SAP cloud network in the DMZ zone. This is in the, so SAP cloud network. This is in the DMZ zone, DMZ, right? So this is in the our customer network zone, So how this will talk to the, this tenants will talk to the our sub accounts. In between, we have to install the cloud connectors on the on-premises systems. On-premises systems, there are the cloud connectors here. So maybe if you install the one cloud connector for the non-production systems, or one is for the production, that is how you want to go, you can go for that one. Through cloud connector, this cloud platform will talk to the our quality accounts and our production accounts. We have to do that one. Here, our role is this setup, sub account setup. Here in the cloud platform, we have the destinations are available. Security is available to connect it. Then here, this cloud connector setup is part of the basis team. Cloud connectors configuration is part of the basis scope, and also integration level activities. This sub account, how we'll talk to our backend systems. So like that, all the configurations, everything. So we have to take care of this, all these activities and everything here, right? So this we know, SAP side, we know how to do the integrations and everything we know, right? How to connect cloud connector to our backend systems, everything we know, right? So this is the setup. So same thing we will set up in the our practice environment also. We have the backend SAP systems also available, and cloud connectors also available, and also the sub accounts also available. We will develop everything under our upcoming classes during the day-to-day activities, right? This is the just to give the overview of the how the landscape look like in the customer network, how we have to build it, right? So this is about the some information, some diagram about the our entire overview of the landscape here, right? So coming to the our topics which we are going to discuss here. Okay, so here we are going to discuss about the overview, some concepts, pricing models, usage, global accounts, services subscription, how to take it, regions, which regions we have to deploy the services, cloud foundry, destinations, and security, some integrations, SSO configurations. So all this one, so BAS for the business application studio for the our development environment, build work zone for the Fiori apps, and also Fiori Launchpad configurations, backend system configurations, integration suite, some administration operations, HANA Cloud, subscription of the RPA, chatbots. So all these things we will discuss in the our upcoming classes in the systems. Okay, this is about the some demo session of the our BTP, right? So you can ask me any questions you have now.